In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to update your iPhone to iOS 26, step by step. Let's dive right in. First, make sure your iPhone supports iOS 26. Apple usually lists supported devices on their website, so double check before you begin. Before updating, back up your data. Go to Settings, your name, iCloud, iCloud Backup, then tap Backup Now. Alternatively, you can use a computer with Finder on Mac or iTunes on Windows, plug your iPhone into a charger, and connect to Wi-Fi. This ensures the update downloads smoothly without using mobile data. Next, open Settings, then General, and select Software Update. Wait as your iPhone checks for updates, then tap Upgrade to iOS 26 and tap Update Now. Enter your passcode if prompted. Tap Agree at the bottom right to accept the terms and conditions, then tap again to start the process. This will take some time. Your iPhone will restart and you'll see the Apple logo while the update installs. When it's done, follow the on-screen instructions to finish setting up iOS 26, and that's it. You're all updated. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.